Well, today is D-Day here for Kuala Lumpur flag off. So, you guys can see here, we're already waiting for the minister to come to give us the warm welcome. And from here, in Ibis KLCC, we will go to Kelantan, to Kebaru. So, here we are. D-Day for Kuala Lumpur.
Akan list 500 sampai 600 kenderaan 4x4 2 liter di Kupat.
Hello Indonesia. Welcome to the Rainforest Challenge, the 2018 edition, the 23rd edition, and we just had a symbolic flag off at the Ibis Hotel Kuala Lumpur, and now we are going to transport the competition trucks, part of it, by loaders. You can see loaders here, all the way to Kebaru, and all participants will be driving up 8 hours to the northernmost state of Malaysia, Kelantan, and we're going to have scrutineering there tomorrow. And then on the 24th we will have the flag off again. So now today is a symbolic ceremony starting by graced by the Ministry of Federal Territories, and so now it's over. Now we're going to arrange the cars, and this year we have about 35 competition trucks and a big team of officials and media, and so in the flag off on the 24th we should have about 300 trucks.
Zdravíme všechny, přijeli jsme z Čech bojovat, na vítězství to možná nebude, ale uděláme pro to všechno, aby jsme přivezli nějakou, aspoň plaketu do Čech.
Only here, the maximum you can cut is go to 20 check. You are in the above, so in the category.
Закроет одно ухо, мы все вместе делаем пип. Понятно?